About 3 years ago, when I started building this robot, a dear friend of mine sent me a box. And in that box was a plastic goose. Little did I know that that plastic goose was just a filler for a second box. Buffalo Bob's Animal with Beef Sticks. And I reviewed every single one of them. I posted them on Facebook. And then I compiled them all and posted them on my old YouTube channel, which was just my name, and it wasn't a channel, and it was just a dumb video. Well, this is an open letter to you, Bob. You want to be my first sponsor? Get in on the ground floor. I'm not very famous yet. You don't have to pay me in money. You just gotta pay me in sweet, sweet meat sticks. I'll put the meat in every video. Maybe in the background. Maybe I'll be eating one when I'm talking. Maybe it'll just be the sound of me chewing as I'm teaching people how to use Fusion 360. Bob, if you haven't seen those videos before, I'd like you to watch the next couple minutes. Because they're pretty awesome. And you got pretty good meat sticks. Roll it. My review of Buffalo Bob's Buffalo Beef Sticks. Tastes a lot like a Slim Jim. I don't know how much money they cost, but hopefully it's not much more than a Slim Jim. Alright, I'm back with another review of Buffalo Bob. It's a maple duck stick. Kinda tastes like the other one, but like more like I left it in a bottle of syrup for too long. It's better than the Buffalo one though, for sure. Alright, bye. Oh hey everybody, it's me again with the Buffalo Bob's meat stick reviews. This is my review on Buffalo Bob's peppered elk beef steak stick. It's peppery, it's elky, it's beefy, it's good. Kind of snacky, so I reached for my Buffalo Bob's Hawaiian pork stick. I wonder how it is. God damn, that's good. Today we're going to be having Buffalo Bob's alligator with beef stick. Let's test it out. Alright, so if someone was like, hey man, try the Slim Jim, then you're eating it, and in the middle of eating it, they'd be like, would you believe there's alligator in that? And then be like, nah. Buffalo Bob's venison with beef stick. You can really taste the beef. And venison. After a long day, I can't think of a better way to unwind than with the Buffalo Bob's kangaroo with beef stick. Let's try this one out. Bob, these all taste exactly the same. What are you doing? It's still pretty good though. After a long day at a convention, I like to wind down with the Buffalo Bob's beef and pheasant stick. Let's test it out. That pheasant is pleasant. When I'm on my way to Guam, I like to chill out with the Buffalo Bob's beef and ostrich stick. See how it is.
Better than going to Guam.
Alright guys, figured it was time to end this once and for all. And I thought no better way to end it than with Buffalo Bob's Wild Boar with beef stick. Let's see how it is. Made from feral swine. This went bad in November. I'm gonna finish it.
Oh yeah, a surprise package from Amazon? I wonder what I ordered. I don't remember ordering anything. Maybe someone bought me something and sent it to here. Oh, a plastic goose. Sweet.